Hello everybody, it's AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with the market forecast, where I go over key points of what's going to happen in the upcoming week to keep you guys aligned with you guys' trading. So let's jump right into it. But before I continue, guys, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you guys get updates on almost all my videos that I post daily, just about. So let's jump right back into it. So guys, if you're a pound trader, we got some pound news on Monday coming out. This is Gov Bailey Speaks. I haven't really checked that out. I do trade with pound pairs, but for this one you guys want to watch, I believe there's a link you can watch the actual speaker. But we got some good news right here. You got a holiday, so you guys get a day off if you're in France. But for the euro, it might be a little bit slow, so check it out on Monday. So if you guys seen lower liquidity, lower movement, maybe just because of the French holiday. Also for yen, get some red news out here. Get the BOJ outlook report and the monetary policy statement. Click the details on the right hand side to click that. We also got big news for CAD. So CAD on Wednesday, so watch out for CAD. Make sure it doesn't get too volatile and shake you out in the markets, or the spreads get too big around this time frame when the statements come out. Same thing for CAD for the BOJ press conference. Check that out. Now, Australian dollar does have an unemployment change. They are sinking to be negative. That does not indicate that the currency will go down, though. So be aware of that. The banks might swing it the opposite direction and take you out of your trade. So everyone thinking short, banks think long. Bada bing, bada boom. I'll be out of your trade. So the next thing we have is the euro. Please check out that monetary policy statement, and we got refinancing. So looking at going to 0% to 0%. Okay, that's what the forecast is predicted to be. We'll see what it comes out to. Now we got ECB pressure conference. You guys can watch that. We got a big news for the United States. We got core retail sales and retail sales month to month. The forecast is up, so let's check that out. Maybe it's good for the United States economy. Maybe not. Maybe it's going to be way worse, but we'll see. And we get the BLJ Gov Bailey Speaks on Friday. So that's our big news we have for Forex, but I got some stuff for commodities coming up right now. So Libya is getting into some conflict, and this might be a big thing for oil. This might be a big demand or big conflict. Conflict in oil usually goes up for the most part that I've seen. If you guys haven't, just click that, make a comment below and tell me what you guys think about conflict and plus oil. Because if Libya is having some oil problems, this might be a big thing for oil. Might go up and push stocks up higher too, kind of what the Fed wants anyways. But we'll take cryptocurrency now. For cryptocurrency, you got XRP coming off that 20 cents high for the time being, and you got the 10K where Bitcoin was. So there's a lot of people selling off their Bitcoin, for the temporary high. Maybe they're going to re-enter or short sell down. To me, my extra indicators told me to get out, so I'm not actually in XRP or Bitcoin right now. But if my indicator is somebody to get back in for a short or for a long, that's what I'm going to do. But what are your guys' plans for crypto? Please just drop a comment below, tell me guys what you guys think. And guys, just to wrap it all up, this is my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. Please check it out. If you want to learn more about gold, silver, precious metals, here you go. Click on that. Start a free account. If you want to learn more how to trade and invest in the Forex and cryptocurrency markets, plus stocks markets, please hit me up. We have daily live sessions and private sessions to knock that out. And thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. I'll see you.